Now I'm going to show you how to put X plus diamond on all sides of a one-point perspective box. So we're going to start by drawing an X on the front panel of the box, like this. Remember that on an iPad I'm having trouble getting these lines to go exactly to where they need to go, but let's remember that when we look at the box, over here, and over here, these are all orthogonals, that is to say they're going to the vanishing point where the horizon line meets that vertical line. Also keep in mind that your corners should actually meet at the corner. Now that we've added the X, we're going to do the plus, and the plus should go right through the middle of the X and continue to the edge of the box. Once that's done, we can complete the diamond by going from the ends of the plus, and there we have our diamond shape. Now when we switch to the side of the box, it becomes a little bit different, because these horizontal lines will now be going back in space. Therefore, they'll be orthogonals. So once again, we need to start with an X. I'm drawing an X from corner to corner on the side of the box. Now I'm going to do an orthogonal through the middle of the X, and once again, there's our orthogonal. Now we do the vertical, that is the plus, and we finish up using these lines to create the diamond shape. You can see it looks much different on the side of the box. Now when we go to the bottom of the box, it's the same technique, but of course now what was the vertical line here will become the orthogonal. We draw an X, and now the orthogonal that was the vertical, and then the horizontal, and then we finish up with our diamond. Now if you take a look, if you've done it correctly, you'll now have 4 squares with X's on the front, 4 on the side, and 4 on the bottom. That's how you know that you're all done with doing X plus diamond. Now, one last thing before we're done. Take a look at this box. If we want to check to make sure that we've done this all accurately, what we do is take a look at the first horizontal line we drew, and then an orthogonal. Notice how it goes around as though it were a ribbon on a package. Take a look at the vertical that we did, the first vertical, and when it meets the orthogonal, again, it will wrap around. And now it looks kind of like we have a red ribbon going around a box. If you've done your X plus diamond correctly, you should be able to follow these lines around the box. And if you want to do X plus diamond X plus, as always, you can always go through the middle. These also will go through the middle of your X. And now I've done X plus diamond and X plus, which of course gives us that center area that is so important if we want to center anything on our box. I'm coloring that in for you so that you can see it. All right, this is how to do X plus diamond on all sides of a one-point perspective box.